use English. The Chief Minister emphasized the need to fill all village tanks and ponds soon after water from major irrigation projects are released during the monsoon. At a high-level meeting to discuss strategy for the optimum utilization of Godavari water during the monsoon at Pragati Bhavan. Here, the CM emphasized all the need to fill all the village tanks and ponds. State Bank of India. 11 members from Puranapur branch of SBI were moved to quarantine facility near Sanjeeva Reddy Nagar on Sunday after a person who tested positive for COVID-19 visited the bank on Saturday. 3 migrant women workers were killed and at least 12 were injured when their truck overturned after a tire burst on the Jhansi-Mirzapur highway in UP last night. The group of 17 had started walking from Delhi to return their villages in eastern UP, said the officials. There are 2 departments under Ramvilas Paswan's ministry, Department of Food and Public Distribution and Department of Consumer Affairs. Ramvilas Paswan office and the part of his ministry located in Krishi Bhavan sealed after an official in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy was tested positive for COVID-19. Hours after a letter was broke out between Yogi Adityanath government in UP and Priyanka Gandhi over buses to take migrant workers home. The UP government has written another letter to the Congress leader asking for 500 buses each to send to Noida and Ghaziabad. In a late night letter to Priyanka Gandhi, Congress General Secretary, a top of government official asked the opposition party to hand over all the buses along with fitness certificate and driving license of all the bus drivers. India's financial hub and the epicenter of the nation's coronavirus outbreak is converting several of its iconic structures into quarantine facilities as it races to prepare for a predicted peaking of infections this month. Researchers in the United States and France are attempting to train dogs to detect the coronavirus disease. Britain government said it had given £5 lakh towards the research, which will be conducted by the London School. Medical detection dogs said it had previously trained dogs to detect certain cancer, Parkinson and malaria. The global economy will take much longer to recover fully from the shock caused by the coronavirus than initially expected, the head of the International Monetary Fund said, and she stressed the danger of protectionism. In an interview, she said data from around the world was worse than expected. President Donald Trump attacked the United Nations Health Body as a Chinese puppet and confirmed that he considers slashing or cancelling US support. They are puppet of China. They are China-centric, to put it nicer, he said at White House. Trump said United States pays $450 million annually to the World Health. One rocket hit the US Embassy in Baghdad, security sources said AFP. The first to land in the high security zone in weeks, the blast could be heard across the Iraqi capital and trigger security sirens at the US Embassy compound but did not cause any casualty.